What's going on, YouTube? We're back. So it looks like I have another issue with the audio on this ride. I think it's because of where I put the camera. I'm trying a new angle. I don't know if I love it or if I hate it. Let me know what you think in the comments. But what I think I'm going to do is ditch the media mod altogether, and we'll go from there. Hopefully I get it by the next one.
Let me lead for a bit.
right, so a recap on the day. Driving home now, parked at Brown's Farm, and just kind of rode in through Moose River Plains over to Inlet. Not quite to Inlet, but made it to the old barn and a little bit past. But it was really, really scratchy from there, so we didn't go any further. Sleds were getting hot, and it just wasn't worth it. We were bashing on rocks and everything else. So, by the way, sorry if this is shaky. I'm driving right now. So, I mean, I'm not driving right now. Mexico. So, thoughts on the new track? It's perfect. It's the Ice Ripper 1.5. It's the one that comes on like 2020 and up. Skidoo XRS. It's an XRS or a Skidoo specific track, and very happy with it. The one thing I think I'm gonna miss though is I had the 1.25" Ice Ripper, and it was a little bit more playful coming in and out of corners. You could slide in and kind of gas out and kind of slide out a little bit. This one just hooks. Maybe it's because that track was old, had a good few miles on it, or maybe not. I don't know exactly why. Maybe it's just the way the track is, but I like it. It definitely has plenty of traction on some of the icy spots. I hit the brakes on purpose really hard to see if I get it to slide, and I didn't. It gives you pretty much a lot of confidence. So I'm happy with it, and no issues, thank God. No mechanical issues whatsoever. Sled ran great, ran cool, no weird noises, anything else. So I think we got a successful repair, and we're ready to roll. Next weekend, we're probably going to end up heading to Old Forge on Saturday, and if snow permits, maybe Woodford, Vermont on Sunday. So see you on the other side.